he was feeling a little bit down because he wasn't given an opportunity to express himself. All I told him was, don't worry, mahaba pa yung hearing. Eventually, you will be given a new opportunity to tell your story.
Inabi ni Agala na 2 beses siyang tinawagan ni San Miguel bago gawin ang Senate hearing. Una noong alas 7:30 ng gabi noong Esperanza Marinig at bago makipagkita si San Miguel kay Senador Francino Lacson. Pero sinatag ni Agala na ginapos niya si San Miguel para maging magsalita tungkol sa di umano'y kickback na DEDO.
It was a brief conversation, not even a minute, just to say that I'll be going. Sabi ko, kamusta ka?
Josh!
Sabi ni Agala,
Hello, Josh! Smile kay Daddy! Hi!
Eh, di talagang magaling.
Give Mami yan, give!
Propensity to press
Give! Dali, aka na! Aka na! Aka na! Very good! Ah! Ay, 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 ay! Ah! Ah! Ano na? Oh, give to Mami yan, give! Very good! Ah! Gana, gana, gana! Mahiwa ka eh! Bye-bye!
Hindi ako nakukuryente doon dahil ang nakuryente kung hindi siya talagang testigo. Talaga namang he's a real witness. Alam niya yung pangyayari. Kaya lang, he chose to perjure himself. So, hindi ako nakuryente. I won't allow myself to be demeaned, sitting in the witness stand, and allow myself to be questioned by my peers. We have the same rights as senators. Well, when the time comes na siya yung nasa question ko, I will ask him if he's willing to sit in the witness stand, and I will question him.
Sabi ni Lacson, meron pa siyang testigo hawak sa iyo. Monitor po siya ang patrol ng Pilipino.
Sinungaling si Leo San Miguel. Itong walang kagatol-gatol na komento, itinusada sa mga pinitawang testimonya ni San Miguel sa Senate Council. Naka-patrol ron ka na.
No, 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 not there!
In my own personal experience of bringing them together, hindi yun yun. So, hindi kasuhan na usapan namin yun. At yung sinabi niya na may terminology na 5 to 6 times daw sila at towards the end, nakangiti daw niya ako sa pang-aling na lang. That's also a lie. So I lived with him more than 5 times. So, at para daw magkaalaman na, inulit nila sa kung kanin niyang magpalay, sexual sex na lang, lahat ng mga testigo na